Hello friends, welcome back to the channel with another fresh idea. Today I've built a rechargeable mini LED light, super compact, pocket friendly and easy to use with its built-in switch. So for the making process, I'm using a durable PVC pipe and cutting out a clean piece like this. After that, we bring in our PVC sheets to shape the base for the project. Let's continue. So we've cut out a circular piece just like this and now I'm attaching it to the PVC pipe. It fits perfectly in place, giving us a solid base to continue building the project. Let's move forward. Now we're installing the charging module along with a 3.7-volt battery. Friends, the full circuit diagram is available in the description. I'm soldering both components together, and as you can see, using a helping hand makes the joint perfect. Once they're connected, the setup looks clean and ready for the next step. Next, I attach two wires and then use double tape to secure them in place. After that, I connect both wires together neatly to keep the setup clean and stable. Now the PVC pipe we cut earlier will hold our charging module. First, I mark the exact spot for the charging connector using a pencil, then carefully cut it out with a cutter. Once the opening is ready, I place the module inside. After that, I take the circular PVC sheet we made earlier and fix it firmly in place using super glue. This gives us a strong and clean finish to move ahead with the build. The super glue has sealed everything perfectly. Before we continue, a big shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. Altium is known for powering some of the world's most advanced PCB design workflows, and if you're a student, Altium offers something incredibly valuable, the Altium Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry-level design experiences and a complete PCB learning program that walks you through everything from core concepts to practical design fundamentals like layout, routing, manufacturing, and supply chain basics. You will work on real-world projects, build job-ready skills, and on an official course certificate that helps your resume stand out and open doors to future opportunities. Enrollment is completely free, so if you want to take your electronic career to the next level, check out the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. Now it's time to install the on-off switch. Once the switch is fixed, we move ahead and connect the LED light. After that, every single wire needs to be soldered carefully to make sure the connection stays strong. When the soldering is done, we test the setup. Now I'm soldering the circuit directly to the LED, making sure every joint is clean and solid. Once all the connections are secure, we can move to the next step of assembling the build. And as you can see, our circuit is working perfectly without any issues. Now we start placing all the components inside our PVC structure. For this, I'm using double tape so everything stays firmly in place and doesn't move around. With all the parts secured neatly, the project is starting to take shape exactly the way we planned. Now I've cut a circle from the transparent PVC sheet and this will act as the front cover of our LED light. It's fixed perfectly. Now let's hold it in place. Using a little super glue, I carefully fix it in place, making sure it aligns perfectly. This gives the light a clean, finished look. Now I'm attaching a small copper wire loop so we can hook this light onto a keyring. The hook is already shaped. After shaping the hook, I use a cutter to make a small hole in the device, then insert the hook securely into place. And I secure it firmly using super glue. As you can see, the finish looks incredibly compact and stylish, almost like something you'd buy straight from the market. This little build is turning out really clean and premium. Now I connect it to the charger. And as soon as it's plugged in, the LED on our circuit starts glowing, just as you can see here. Now the device is fully charged, so it's time to test it. I switch it on, and instantly the LED lights up beautifully. As you can see, it shines very brightly, and even in the dark it provides excellent illumination. The light is strong, clear, and perfect for small spaces or carrying around just like a professional mini LED. So friends, a big thank you to all of you. Your comments truly helped me throughout this entire project. I really appreciate your support. Let me know in the comments how you liked this build and don't forget to share it with others. Also feel free to drop your new ideas or suggestions for upcoming projects. Your feedback always guides me forward. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.